In this video, I'll show you exactly how I create AI-generated girls for YouTube Shorts, step by step. From finding a reference, crafting prompts with ChatGPT, and generating animations with Midjourney, to editing everything in CapCut with music and transitions. You'll see the full creative workflow I use to build stylish, high-quality shorts that stand out. Step 1, let's find a stylish outfit online. For this one, we'll use Nevada on Instagram. The link to her profile is in the description. Step 2, grab a photo of the outfit. We'll use it as a reference for our AI design. Step 3, now open ChatGPT and ask it to write a Midjourney prompt based on the outfit you found. You can describe the colors, the fabric, the vibe, whatever details you like. Feel free to add extra style notes too, like editorial lighting, Vogue look, or futuristic streetwear. The more specific your input, the better your results. Don't forget to attach the photo of the outfit. That way, ChatGPT can use it as a visual reference. It'll generate a Midjourney prompt for you in seconds. Step 4. Take the prompt that ChatGPT gave you and paste it into Midjourney. Now the fun begins. Midjourney will generate a set of AI images based on that prompt. Scroll through the results, explore the variations, and see which ones stand out. Don't be afraid to experiment. Change the style, tweak the wording, or regenerate a few times. Sometimes just one word can completely shift the vibe. Once you see a version that really clicks with you, we'll use it to animate the look. Step 5. Once you've picked the image you like, it's time to animate it. Click on the Animate button in Midjourney to turn your static image into motion. Midjourney will generate several animated versions of your outfit, each with slightly different movement and style. Take a moment to watch them all and pick that looks the best to you. I usually go with high motion. It gives a smooth, dynamic feel that works great for shorts. Step 6. Once you're happy with the results, go ahead and download them all to your computer. I recommend saving every version. You might want to compare them later during editing. Better to have options than to regret not saving one. Step 7. Now open CapCut. This is where everything comes together. Import all your media files, the animated videos, any outfit references, and any extra visuals you plan to use. Make sure everything is organized on your timeline. It'll make the editing process way smoother. Step 8. Now it's time to set the vibe. Find a trending audio track that matches the mood of your video, something stylish, catchy, or bold. Once you've picked the right sound, drop it onto your timeline in CapCut. Trim it to fit the length of your video, and make sure to choose the best part of the music. Clean, sharp, and synced with the visuals. A good soundtrack makes everything feel 10x more polished. Step 9. Use scene transitions to smooth things out. Don't just cut from one clip to another. Add soft fades, quick zooms, or swipe transitions to make the flow feel clean and intentional. CapCut has tons of built-in options. Try a few and see what fits your vibe. Just don't overdo it. Subtle is better when it comes to fashion edits. Oh, and one more thing. For every single Shorts video I publish, I'll also drop a quick backstage how it's made breakdown, just like this one. No talking, no filler, just fast, clean, behind-the-scenes content. Straight from idea to upload. If you want to see how every AI model and outfit comes to life, subscribe now so you don't miss a single one. Step 10. Once everything looks perfect, export your final edit. Make sure the resolution and aspect ratio are set for YouTube Shorts. 916, 1080p is perfect. Then upload it to your channel and take a few minutes to fill out all the key details. Add a catchy title and a clear description. Don't forget to choose the right tags and set your video visibility. YouTube gives you a lot of options. Use them all to help your short get discovered. And that's it. Your AI-powered fashion-forward short is ready for the world.